Hello and welcome to our video on calculating the median of a set of data values. The median, like the mean, can be a useful summary statistic to help show us where the center of the data is. It measures the center of the data along with the mean. The mean similarly shows you the center. They sometimes will be the exact same number, the mean and the median, but often they'll be slightly different numbers because they represent different things, and we'll talk about that more in a later video. You can, just like the mean, you can use the median to compare more than one data set to decide which one might be better at something than the other. We're going to use this or similar data to what we used to calculate the mean. Our formula for the median, it's not really a formula, but it's something to remember. The median is the middle number when all the numbers are put in order. Now I've put the in order there in red because so many people forget to put it in order and they just look at a whole list of numbers and they just count, they find the middle, they go, yep, that's the median. The numbers must be in order before you can find the median. Our example one here shows test score results for two different classes, Class A and Class B. If you've already watched the mean video, these are slightly different numbers to those numbers, so don't use the exact same numbers you used on the last video. Class A has these test results scores, Class B has these test results scores. The question is asking us to find the median for each class. You'll notice when you look through these numbers that they are not yet put in order. So the very first thing always when we're finding the median is to put our numbers back in order again. So to do that, it's slow, but you just need to do it so you can get an accurate number for the median. You need to find the lowest number, which is 57, and the highest number, so we can start with 57 when we're rewriting them out. The highest number is 95, so that will be our last number. And we need to order each of these numbers again back into numerical order. So I've done that here, starting with 57, ending with 95, and they are now in perfect numerical order. Once you have your numbers in order, you can calculate the median by finding the middle number. So with Class A, we have 15 numbers. I counted them all up and came to a total of 15. So halfway is going to be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it's going to be the next one after the 7th. So there are 7 on this side, 7 on this side. And this one here, the second 74, is going to be our median. Sorry, I got lost there. It's actually the first 74. Doesn't matter which one, 74, 74, it's still the median. So we have 7 numbers on this side, 7 numbers on this side, easily find the median. Median equals 74. If you have an odd number of data values, like we had here, 15, then you can easily find the middle number because it's going to be exactly halfway. If you have an even number of data points, and Class B has an even number of data points because there's only 14 data points there, so you need to do an extra little step to help find the median. Still need to go through the same process to begin with, make sure all of our numbers are in order again. These are not in order, so I'm going to look for the lowest value, which is 51, and I'm going to start with that one. And the highest value will be 99, and I'll put that on the end, and then I'll order all the numbers in between. Do that now, please. Here they are all in order. Now we need to find the middle number. There's 14 altogether, so if we count 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it's going to be in between the 86 and the 87. So we have 2 middle numbers. There's 6 on this side, 6 on this side, 2 numbers in the middle. When you get 2 numbers in the middle, you don't write them both down. we need to find the halfway point between the two. Now, when we've got 86 and 87, it's easy to see that halfway between those 2 points is 86.5. But if you end up with, say, 74 and 115, and it's more difficult to find the halfway point between these two numbers, the easiest way to do it is to use the average formula. So all you do is add the two numbers together and divide by 2 because there's 2 of them. So I'll demonstrate that here for you. Median will equal 86 plus 87 divided by 2, which equals 86.5. So the median for Class A was 74, median for Class B was 86.5. So you can clearly see that Class B has done better on their test than Class A has. Thanks for watching the video.